Better than any other creature, humans excel at transformation. Primitive humans used wood to create heat and light. Early inventors took natural phenomena such as rivers and winds and used them to turn paddle wheels and windmills. Now, these same phenomena make turbines rotate to generate electricity, and in solar panels, the sun's rays become photovoltaic energy. Deep in the heart of transformation lies the idea itself. The first time someone asked, "What if?" and then pursued that idea to its conclusion. There may be several ways to answer any particular what-if question, and it's here that IEC work becomes crucial. IEC technical committees take the essentials of any given technology and use them as the basis for creating standards. This is where the transformation becomes complete. From a glimmer of an idea to a device that solves a problem is the first part. From there to laying down the concept in its most fundamental terms so that others can repeat the process is the final part. And this is the nature of preparing IEC standards. IEC people participate in understanding, in defining, and in clarifying. They participate in generating knowledge for those who follow by saying, "This is the best way to do this job."